When I started freediving, I made every beginner mistakes you can imagine, and some of them were actually dangerous. So here's everything I wish someone had told me before I started. Hi, I'm Tianyang. I'm a freediver and an underwater content creator. I know the beginning of your freediving journey can feel really hard. That's exactly why I'm here to help. This is part 1 of my freediving tips for beginners. So let's jump in. There are tons of ways people teach you how to hold your breath longer, but for beginners, understand how your body works is very important. Holding your breath is not a natural human behavior. It's something unfamiliar to our body. So it's completely normal to feel uncomfortable in the beginning. And don't worry, I'm gonna make it easier for you. The urge to breathe, which we also call contractions, is caused by the rising level of CO2 in your body, not by a lack of oxygen. And CO2 level can be trained just like other muscles in your body. There's a huge difference between holding your breath while you're not moving and holding your breath while freediving. When you're freediving, you're moving, you're using your muscles, and you're consuming more oxygen. A normal breath hold, which we call a static breath hold, means you're not moving at all. You're neither lying on the bed or floating on the surface of the water. In this case, you're not using extra energy, and the CO2 builds up much more slowly. By understanding this difference, and by letting your body experience how breath holding feels like in both situations, you can better understand your limits and what helps you to hold your breath longer in water. The number 1 key to a longer breath hold is the ability to relax, both mentally and physically. Training your mind will improve your breath hold much more than you might think. For new freedivers, including me 5 years ago, the urge to breathe can feel extremely uncomfortable and often cause anxiety. By practicing dry training exercises, you help your mind and body get familiar with those sensations, so you can become more relaxed during your actual breath holds in the water. By the way, let me know in the comments what's holding you back from holding your breath longer and which tip helps you the most. Focusing on your breath up is just as important as the final breath. You should breathe calmly for 2 to 4 minutes before starting your breath hold. During this time, focus on doing a body scan and relax every single part of your muscle from head to toe. At the same time, calm your mind and slow down your heart rate. It should feel similar to the moment when you're about to fall asleep. Before starting the breath hold, you need to take a proper inhale. And this breath is very important because you will carry it through the whole dive. A shallow or a quick inhale does not fill your lungs with enough oxygen and can actually raise the heart rate, which leads to higher CO2 production. Instead, focus on taking a long, slow, deep inhale, at least 5 seconds. Starting from your belly and into the chest, and finally up into your upper clavicle. And during this final inhale, you should still feel really relaxed. Whether you're doing a static breath hold or freediving, focus on relaxing every part of your body and keep your mind as calm as possible, just like you practiced during your breath up. This helps slow down the buildup of CO2 in your body, allowing contractions to come later and feel easier. However, there's another very important thing for your safety. Do not hyperventilate. It's actually really dangerous. Hyperventilation artificially lowers the CO2 level in your body before a breath hold. While this may delay the uncomfortable urge to breathe, it also delays your body's natural safety alarm. The urge to breathe is to warn you there's something happening in your body. If this warning sign comes too late, after the oxygen level has dropped below what your body needs, a blackout can happen without a clear warning sign. This is why hyperventilation is dangerous. You should not do it. Never practice breath holds in the water alone, and always listen to your body. Progress takes time, so give your body the time it needs. Even very experienced freedivers never dive alone. Having a buddy is not just about safety, but also about awareness. Someone who can watch you, support you, and help you if something doesn't feel right. Thank you for watching! Please let me know in the comments which technique helps you the most, or feel free to share your own experience and tips so we can all learn from each other. This is part 1 of my freediving tips for beginners. In the next video, I will talk about equalization, including Frenzo and Valsalva, and how to solve problems when you're just starting, like why you can't equalize while going head down underwater. So stay with me, I'll see you in the next video.